It was meant to be, boys. It was meant to be. Let's go, Trev! Yeah. Hey, real quick, guys, I just want to let you guys know that we made it to the Freedom 500. It was an absolutely amazing time, and we met all the guys. We got to talk to everybody individually. Yes, the table got delivered. There's more to come on that, I promise. First off, I just want to thank not just Cletus, but everybody that put on that show that the Freedom 500 is. It is a spectacular event if you've never been. It was one of the best shows I've ever been to. Like, not to just give thanks and praise to like all the YouTubers and celebrities and stuff that were out there, but all the people behind the scenes, like all the workers at the Freedom Factory, like hands down, not just the hospitality, but like those men and women are humping their ass to make that show that great and make that event just so special. Like, everybody was on it. Like, I was really impressed as a business owner how they ran things around there. It was really impressive. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. Table got delivered. Hell of a time there. I know it's a lengthy video, but I just want to show you guys like how it is point of view experience if you get to see one of these shows. It was an absolutely crazy time. We actually got to interview everybody before. I'm sure if you've watched other people's videos, you've already seen the interviews and what people said, what they would choose. But there's one special interview I want to show you guys and really how this event played out and who we rooted for after the interview process. It really just made this video that much more special. And do me a favor, don't look in the back or anywhere around me because there's absolutely no Easter eggs in the shop, and I promise you we are not building a Formula race car. Enjoy the video.
You win the 500. What are you taking? What you want the Corvette or are you taking the Sprinter van, brother?
So here's the thing. I think second place gets nothing, right? So anything that you win is a bonus.
Absolutely.
My wife and all my friends said the Sprinter van is so practical, but I'm thinking you gotta go with the Corvette, and we gotta hit it on the biggest jump we possibly can.
Hell yeah, brother!
And then take the motor and the transmission out and put it in a van if we want to later.
Mini Grand Prix jump!
Let's go!
Hell yeah, brother!
See by the dawn's early light, was so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets that our flag was still there. Yeah. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free?
Woo! Yeah! Land is free, baby! Of the flag!
Who's going out first? Who's going out first?
Oh, Whistling.
I think Whistling might be going first too, bro.
Go. Race cars out.
He's way too up front to be safe.
Oh, there it is again. Look. It's on fire! Fire! Bro, it's on fire in the grill, bro. It's on fire. That's a fire, dog. What do you think that is? An HID on a Crown Vic? That's a goddamn fire, boy. Out of the car, dude. That thing's on fire, bro. Yeah, look. Fire, go! Get away from it. No, what are you doing? Get away. Yeah, that thing's going down, dude. Oh my God, dude! Whoa! Second go. Get him, boys.
Said Ryan's been practicing.
Ryan's definitely been practicing. Boys are out.
birdie's out, bro.
Yep, hit hard.
There's Weston and the birdie. There's Weston. Jackson in first place, dude. What a turn of events. I know we just recorded it, but yes, it's been one lap. It's now lap 46 and all that happened.
There goes birdie.
Damn, there goes the birdie, dude. I'm telling you. The birdie was my top 4 to win. Oh, Kevin's going on the inside. Inside of Deegan. Damn, that's big. Good job, Vic! Once again. Yeah! You're done! Jack stands out. Look at LaJoy on him now. That'd be an undercut and a half. Nobody even talking about him the whole race, and then yeah, but look at LaJoy, dude. He's just been saving it. Jump the fucking Corvette! Shut up, dude! Don't jinx it! Don't jinx it, boys! It was meant to be, boys. It was meant to be. Let's go, Trav! Let's go, Trav! Damn, I'd feel a lot better if somebody was in between KSR. He's going on the outside. Get him, Corey! Go, Corey, let's go, bro! Come on, Trav! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Last lap! Come on, Trav! Come on, Trav! Let's go, Trav! Let's go! Let's go! Fuck yeah!
You want a snack? Yeah. Oh,
I
don't kill the man. All right. How about now? I said it. Get a zoom in on that.
Upside down.
Upside down.
How about now? Just do it.
How about now? Hey, I broke my flip-flop on that swing.